Welcome back to 643 this morning, and things very quiet this morning, especially compared to what we saw yesterday morning. In fact, much of the state of Texas is on the quiet note. Some light rain showers in East Texas, but dry weather in much of the state. Different story for the southeast, and like we saw yesterday morning, there could be severe weather across a good chunk of places. Now, not everybody in this area is going to see severe weather, but the possibility is there, particularly in these areas of yellow, northern Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina. I actually think the biggest threat might be right in this area, in parts of Mississippi and Alabama. There might even be some tornadoes in there, but damaging wind and hail, all a possibility for folks to the east of us. But for us, not even a drop of rain. We're going to have a lot of sun today. Again, it all depends on where you are around that frontal system. We're on the dry side of the frontal system. In fact, it's looking like we're going to be staying pretty dry. When you look at rain for the next 7 days, there's going to be a lot of it to our north and east. Louisiana, Arkansas, parts of Iowa, Nebraska, they certainly don't need any more rain after just recently dealing with some flooding. But then you look here in South Texas, and again, this is for the next 7 days. Yes, we do have green showing up, and I got to be honest with you, this is one of the more aggressive models with rainfall, and it doesn't bring even a half an inch to anywhere in the valley. A lot of quarter-inch, tenth of an inch measurements. And again, there's no chance of rain until Friday night. So these chances of rain are for the weekend. And again, still some mixed signals in exactly how much rain. But even if we do get scattered showers and storms, we still don't think it's going to amount to much. So we'll keep you posted. But in the short term, things are looking very quiet. There is some fog out there this morning, especially in Cameron and Willacy County. Not everybody has dense fog. It's mainly light fog, but there are a couple spots with some dense fog. I think it's going to be around until about 9:30 or so this morning, and then after that, fog free. And there's not going to be a lot of clouds around today. I think maybe some wispy cirrus clouds are a possibility, but more sun overall for sure. And we're going to be warming up quickly. We're looking at the low 90s coming back this afternoon. Could be some more showers to our south and west, but it does look like we're going to be staying dry. Looks like clear skies tonight. And I do think it's going to be a cool start tomorrow in the low 60s. We have low humidity today and low humidity tomorrow. But when you have low humidity like this, you warm up really quick, especially when you have a lot of sun like we're expecting tomorrow. We may not see any clouds tomorrow, maybe clear. So we've got to use the word hot for tomorrow, because I do think a lot of us could reach the upper 90s tomorrow. But at least it's a dry heat, which we usually can't say. More like an Arizona hot day instead of a valley hot day is a better way to put it. And still looking clear. 8 o'clock Tuesday evening, I do think it'll get cool again for Tuesday night. 92 for our high, but again, at least it's a dry heat today. We will have low humidity. A mostly sunny day, just mainly some wispy, thin clouds around. And winds aren't going to be very strong, 5 to 10 miles per hour, but out of the south. So that's why, though we're starting out cool in the morning, we will end up feeling very warm this afternoon. But it's going to be another cool night. Tonight, 62 for our low, clear skies, not much of a wind, just 5 to 10. And 62, that's actually a very normal temperature for this time of year. We should be in the low 60s, and that's where we're going to be. But check out tomorrow, from 62 all the way to 97 in the afternoon. Because of that low humidity and lots of sun, we will be warming up very quickly. A little bit warmer for Tuesday night, upper 60s, 95 on Wednesday. It's going to be windy on Wednesday. It's going to be breezy on Thursday, but still dry. Starting to get that humidity back in here on Thursday, and then even more so on Friday. It looks like a couple weak cold fronts get in here to try and temporarily cool us back down into the upper 80s, but that's as cool as it's going to get. A rain chance Friday night and Saturday night, but most of this 7-day forecast is looking dry. Of course, we'll keep you posted on that weekend forecast. Well, more news coming up in just a bit.